you wouldn't mind liking, sharing, passing this around when you're coming across it, that would be excellent. I'm going to be here for a while. So yeah, we come over to our context tab. If you guys want to follow along, jump in. Jump in. Go to context.build, start up an account. Watch how this changes your lives. So here's our integrations. I want to do something as simple as maybe integrate Discord into the VaultMind. Maybe this Claude, I could integrate that as a permanent chatbot for the side panel. If I wanted to, I could use Kimmy. So let's see, what can we use? What do we want to use? Oh, of course, you can integrate your Stripe payments. I just don't have that integrated yet. I've not been back in Stripe in some time since I built out, what was that called? That was, it was like my own Patreon. It was pretty sweet. Pretty sweet, man. So here's our integrations. Like I said, the nice thing is our styling section. So here you can come in like this one. I chose this for our front end. It took the colors. Kind of, I could go in and say, like, utilize more of the currently active. See, and it shows me what it is if I want to check it out. So if I can come, I can come down, check out some different type sites. And if I want to change it up to something a little more pippity pop to it, you know what I mean? So we have a whole styling dashboard now. I'm loving it. The agents, so we can do the command app, give the agent full control to execute back-end actions. When I set this up, so I want to reset up this agent. I want it to be a little more loaded than it is to do the things I want it to do. This is a sweetheart of an addition, ladies and gentlemen. This is the command app. This is going to allow you to flat out connect an agent to your application that controls everything. You can have access to it directly, and you can have it communicating to you maybe through your Slack or your Telegram, whatever you like, and then you can communicate with your app. So like an app like this where maybe the team is coming in and doing talks and stuff, you can do a bypass into the AI or into the back end, see any new additions, have it delivered right to you. And then you can send them back and say, hey, this is this and this is that. And rock on. References, I think I showed you guys this before. You can bring in all your own files. That's right, bring in all your own PDFs, bring in all your own images, even paste in some websites that you would like to possibly extract some of their styling from. No problem. Here's your rules. Rule title, brief description, and then a detailed description of the rules you want it to follow, so that if you've got rules that are guide around your whole project and you want it to continue doing that, that's fine. But I'm about to unload on you. This is the hosting. As you can see right now, I am in the VaultMind project, and I have two server pairs. That's a front end, back end, and a front end, back end. And if you want, you can create another pair. Right here. Create, name it, pay for it, create deploy. Boom. Now, when you come back into your chat and you want to go to deploy after you do some new works, you can actually choose that new pair to deploy to. So yes, you can build multiple canister projects for those of you that really wanted to know. It's not a problem. We have people now building and doing just that and doing very good at it. And I can't wait to see what they have to say if they come out and say, hey man, I've been using Kontext for a while and my God, can't believe how easy it was. Because we're doing it all for you. We really are. You can set up multiple server projects right here. Your storage. You need to upload files into your project. Just do it. Even your secrets. You can go into an environment setting where you can apply things into a staging or production environment on top of your development environment. You can well, we've applied it where you can apply global settings across all, and then here's your add variables. So this is for our more advanced folks. If you really need to, and you're wondering how can I convert a lot of what I'm doing, I really need to, really want to see things that's going on inside of my. So what do I do? Come over here. Form view. Oh, look, notes. I can see that I got 3 items. Here's my whole database. So I can come in and I can see I got an ID 1 title, my first note, tags version. Cool. You can check it all. Anything that's going on in there. See, I can see what users have done what. You want to be able to access your backend. You want to be able to help people. You want to be able to manage your project. Ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is not. Here's your query builder. So if I wanted to get notes by slug, I could enter the value. Here's a get notes. Like that, update the Anthropic key, enter the value. You can do all your stuff from the back end. So why do we have this access in here? Like, this is great. This is something you do not see in a lot of builders. We have access to your database, or not we, but there you have access to your database of each of your projects. That also leads over to our agents where you can deploy the Commander app. The Commander app sees and has access to all of the files so that you can just request that it's doing these things. This is how it's able to work in and work around and apply what it can do to your application, making it a living application. Okay, this is where the magic is at. You've got full database coverage that you can come in and handle on your own. And then you can also throw your commander agent on there that handles all of your application and all of the issues going on, as well as, hey, if you've got new users, if you've got people signing up, maybe it sends you a, hey, do you want me to send a personal email out, or would you like me to let you handle this? And you can say, hey, send emails to all new users. Like, game on. You guys wanted control of your applications in a coder, and we're giving it to you. You guys wanted multiple canisters to be able to be deployed and used in a single application. We're giving that to you. You guys wanted to be able to store your own images and data, PDF files, all your information, everything you need right inside your project. We give that to you. We also give you the ability to store your secret keys, set your environments, hold your settings for your storage and quota. You guys wanted canister deployment that can be singular. I can choose here, oh, I'm going to switch to this one and make this my new main canister. And come back to this one and deploy to that one if I want to. And you can deploy that stack anytime you feel like it. Come in the chat, ask it to do some changes. As soon as you click apply all files, you can go instantly to the deploy, or you can come in and you can change that server that you're using so that you can launch different and work on different canisters, applying different things, and then tying them together. Come over here to your live preview, check it out, see how it's going to look on your tablet and mobile. And then we're also working on this edit feature here. This will let you come in and play around with words, play around with colors and how things are built in. Direct editing right here. I mean, straight in-app editing. And then here's your agents. This is what we've been talking about. So here's your agents. You got smart assistants, multi-step process, and a virtual team. So like a big swarm if you want. You can come in here and check out which agents you have deployed to this project. And here's my Google Sheets. Click on that and you'll see this is my Google Sheets to calendar schedule. Shows me I had one error, failed to submit job, HTTP request. Great. That is awesome. It is feeding me all of my activity, my approval. Here's my servers, my MCP tools that are connected to it as of right now. I can set triggers for this. I can do scheduled, conditional, or even webhook. Look at that. You want to set in webhooks. You want to do it conditionally, or you want to schedule triggers. Yeah, that's right. I hope you guys are listening. I hope you guys are out there watching right now. So when you set up your agent, you can schedule it to do things. You can put it conditional, so somebody comes in, maybe clicks a note, and boom, right then, right when that happens, when you had said this sets that agent to send you a notification that somebody's activated the note feature, or maybe somebody's logged on the website. You have a new visitor. It can send you whatever you want. These are the tasks. Failed to submit job. I said, what appointments are there? See, it'll show you exactly the lineup, how you did the task that you asked and why it failed. I mean, you want to troubleshoot. You want to be able to get through and make your agent beautifully, wonderfully perfect and do the things you want it to do without the risk of your accounts getting sucked dry, it going rogue on you. We take care of all that. We take care of it all. Yeah. So here, we're going to come back in. I don't know who's on, who's watching right now. It'd be great if there were thousands watching.